Good evening, friends. I like to share you one simple but useful tip. Usually, our friends in foreign countries they'll be getting curry leaves occasionally only. Um, Whether you get it from your own plant when it is harvested, or from some friends who come from India, if you are when you are getting it in bulk, you can store it this way. We find it very much useful. So actually, I'll do it like a seasoning. Uh, Putting enough oil after it is getting nice heated nicely, roasting mustard seeds. Once it got fried nicely, putting our curry leaf already washed and dried under shade, and fresh enough without the colors get changed. Okay, after getting seasoned, see here, it is so crispy and it is having the real original color also. Its nutritive value is retained. So this is the one I stored one. No, it is 1 week older. Now I got another bulk of curry leaves. So this is my second batch now. So batch by batch, I'll be storing it in my fridge. Yeah, because many of our family members are elderly here, so we reduce the oil consumption, but we enjoy the seasoning in all our menu, in all our recipes. So 4 5 times we will be seasoning. Normally in our South Indian food, the normal usual classic foods, we will be having seasoning done every time, like for chutney, our poriyal, our kulambu, and sabji for the evening chapatis. Everything will have that seasoning done. So instead of doing every time, we'll be spreading this crushed over it. So that on top, while it is garnished at the end and it has been mixed slightly and gently. No, because it is crushed, none of us will pick it out. So it will compulsorily be being consumed. So like a little mustard seed and curry leaf every day will get added into our balanced diet. So it will be very much helpful and useful. Mustard seed is very much helpful for the elderly also, to help them relieved from their knee pain and joint pains. Curry leaves, they are very much good in iron, so it's good for our hair, bloodstream, so totally for our good health. So this is one way of storing, and also we use this nicely surplusly into our food because it is being no roasted crispily. It's been crushed and put it over, so it is giving the right aroma also to the food. We enjoy the food also. Moreover, second angle with which we see to this is for the elderly, the oil consumption should be compulsorily low. It should be consumed in a very little amount only. For that, it is very much helpful. So every 5 times per day we are going for seasoning, we'll be using at least 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoonful of oil, and also we will be using our gas, and we will be waiting for the oil get heated, and our mustard seed get fried nicely, and then our leaf, and every time we will be spending more time on that, and every one and the other time we will be washing our kadai for just for seasoning alone. We will be washing it for 5 times. So all these things will get saved while we are storing this and using this, and on top of it the purpose is served. So we'll be consuming this regularly, and also consistently, and also like to the required amount. All the family members will surely be getting this. That way, that is very much helpful. If you find it useful, better follow. Thank you. Thanks for watching.